This is what the boiler looked like before cleaning. After long-term operation of the boiler, problems such as scale and rust will inevitably occur, which will make the heat transfer performance worse and the boiler efficiency decrease. This is what the boiler looks like after cleaning. The scale disappears and the rust is cleaned up, which greatly improves the thermal efficiency of the boiler. This shows the importance of boiler cleaning. In the process of cleaning, the potential hidden dangers of the boiler will also be found, and targeted maintenance will be carried out. The smoke box insulation cotton has been repaired to ensure the thermal efficiency of the boiler. EPCB adopts professional boiler cleaning equipment and meticulous after-sales service, allowing each customer to experience professional and dedicated service.